got the tree. But the leg, it looks pretty good. It looks like everything just bent in. But I got 2 good shots. Or maybe 3. Don't try again. How do I start it?
Well, don't stand over it when you start it because it goes straight up. So make sure it's clear above.
Yeah. Where's the button?
Oh,
I see.
Yeah.
Take off. Okay, we're back.
Shit, you hit my hand.
I was trying to follow Ron. I wasn't trying to get you that.
Good thing I couldn't see what was coming.
Holy crap.
We got that on video. It hit my hand. It didn't even hurt, Jackson.
I think there were 2 angles of it.
Okay, I think it hit the phone. Oh, shit. Look at what you did to my phone. Oh, shit. Is that the lens?
Maybe.
Holy shit.
It looks good, right?